Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Zainab Bora, and I'm very excited to announce the next boot camp. This would be our fourth boot camp edition at Vidya Jeevan Greater Noida. So this one is, directed for all the students who are targeting the INI May 2026 slash NEET PG 2026. So both of them, will correspond to more or less the same time. So this is a more extensive boot camp, probably the most extensive one so far that we've done. So this is what is going to span across 17 weeks. So I'll take you through what, it entails. What does it mean? A lot of you would have heard of boot camp but are not very sure of what is happening there. So I'll tell you, it's very happening. Okay, so what it entails would be me covering the 19 subjects for you in a structured basis. So the content would be similar to what is there in the online BTR package, but everything in one place where I will take you through subject wise, and more or less the idea is to give you a structure. So let me just show you the schedule and tell you what structure I'm talking about. So we start from 18th of Jan, which will be an orientation where we'll talk about the facilities, the various things, and then we'll guide you about the platform and everything, the testing platform, how the classes will be and everything else, right? So we start off from the next day itself where you can see how in each week we are having one subject where it's a major subject, and then we'll cover systems across 2 to 3 weeks, and then you get 5 to 6 days for the intermediate subjects and 2 to 3 days for the short subjects. So that's how we are going to cover. For example, for the first week we study obs gynae, big subject, heavy weightage, right? So I will take the classes in two parts. Now this content, if we have to tell the online equivalent of that, would include everything which I feel is important from obs gynae. So essentially everything in BTR 2.0 over and above some things, which I may have covered in compiled module, TNDs, etc. So essentially every content which I feel is important, the non-negotiables, the most important part we'll cover in these two sessions. And then we have a test. Each test would be 100 MCQs and we would discuss that, right? So that gives you an in-depth coverage of, every topic, whatever I feel are very concept heavy. I'll teach you and then I'll ask you in the form of questions so that we can discuss that again, right? So that is how this schedule would be planned. So this also gives you a timetable, right? That when I'm not taking classes, for example, usually have sessions from 9 a.m. and it'll go until around 4 to 5 p.m. So that half day and the non-teaching days, right? For example, 20th, 22nd, 23rd, before the test, you can bulk up obs gynae, you can revise whatever you've done apart from BTR. This is something where you, even if you've not done BTR online even once, this will not feel very weird. I will start and I will assume that you have not read BTR before and you don't even need to. If you have, it's a bonus. If you haven't, it's fine, perfectly fine. So whatever other resources you may have used, you get time to refer that and add it onto one place, which is BTR. So that makes it very easy that after the boot camp is over or during the boot camp, when we are revising all the subjects towards the latter half, within this time frame only you will revise your syllabus at least twice or thrice. All right, so that is what the plan is, that we keep integrating whatever else you've read and whatever else content that you bulk up your BTR with, you can do it while you are studying. So we give you a structure. So that is what I mean. So I will be taking your classes, teaching you obs gynae, and then you will be giving the test. So the obs gynae test would be 100 questions. You will attempt it in the morning first in your computer based cubicles. So eventually you will give so many tests, at least 17 these 17 weeks if not more, that you eventually get desensitized. And that's the main advantage. A lot of us go through a lot of anxiety just by the sheer environment. You will be spending 17 weeks of your life sitting on this cubicle. That is done, right? That desensitization is taken care of. So that is a big win, that you do not feel the stress. When you actually give the INI and NEET, you would feel like, all right, it's just one more Vidya Jeevan test that I've been giving on a daily basis, right? So that is what the idea is behind these computer-based centers. And this would also be allotted to you as self-study cubicles. So you can sit here, do your studies, whatever test you want to attempt here, you can attempt. We shall also be giving you custom modules daily. So mini tests, customized tests based on NEET and INI pattern. We'll mix it up, So daily 50 MCQs will give you from the subject which is going on. So for example, on whenever the non-classes days are, you will also get OBS Gynae test, on 20th, on 22nd, on 23rd, 50 questions curated by me, right? So that is how you stay on track and you keep making sure that as we go along, these subjects are getting sorted and we keep revising them as we go along as well, right? So it gives you a structure, and that is what is the most important idea behind the boot camp, that we are there almost on a daily basis, supporting you, guiding you, whatever doubts that you may face, that gets cleared. And I cannot stress enough the environment, right? You will be in a very positive environment. That's our biggest attempt, that we create healthy competition where you lift each other up rather than having a very toxic motivating environment. No, it's not toxic motivation, it's encouraging motivation, where all of us are doing and going towards the same goal. Let's push each other, right? All of us want one seat, we don't want every seat, right? So that's our idea and that's our principle to work, that every student can achieve their best potential. And that's what we work very hard for, that if we can tell you that this is your best potential and push you towards that, that makes us happy as teachers. So that is what the idea is. This is what the building looks like from outside. This is the cafeteria, like positive, very positive vibes, and I'm not just making it up. You come here, you can check it out, you feel for yourself. This is the reception, and this is where I teach. This is the auditorium, right? So this is what the facility of Vidya Jeevan looks like. It's pretty, it's very spacious. You don't feel claustrophobic. You can study in multiple areas. A lot of students study in the gardens, so there's a lot of room for you to move around. A lot of students study in the cafeteria, right? They discuss, they do active recall with each other. So it's this environment which is, the big win, not the content is a big win, yes, but the main thing which differentiates boot camp is what environment we have, we will strive to create. So that is what the schedule looks like. So we have classes, we have TNDs, and on non-teaching days we shall have daily tests for you, so that you show up and we make sure that you attempt each one of them, right? So this is where you get self-study facility with cubicles and unlimited internet access, so you can give a test at any point of time. Very, very important would be the interaction that you have with Dr. Ravi Sharma and Apurv sir, who will be there, very, very regularly to meet you, to guide you, to talk to you. And more than what I have to teach you, I think you're gonna remember what they have taught you. That's what the past students tell me, that ma'am, aapka padhaya hua to exam tak kaam aata hai. But what they teach is gonna stay with you for the rest of your life. So that is also something which is a big bonus, which I cannot even write as one of the pointers, but it's just for you to feel and experience, right? So that is something which is there. As I said, lots of space to move around. There's a canteen where you can pre-book your meals, right? So you can pre-book all 3 meals of the day. In fact, all 4. You have breakfast, lunch, snacks in the evening, and dinner. So you can pre-book. We also have healthier options like salad bowls, so multiple options. You'll figure it out. So we have those as pre-booking options, so you can choose that as well. And we also like to give you a few bonus parties from our end as well, so that you will come and you will experience. So this is what the boot camp is all about. Now let's talk about the schedule. So first I'm focusing on the larger yield. This is what till 6 weeks we cover at least 50 to 60% of our paper. So OBG, PSM, surgery, and all your integrated systems, which includes physiopath, pharma, and medicine. Micro, anat, biochem, peds follow, and then we have all the short subjects, right? So we will be giving you a workbook. We will not be giving annotated books, just the workbook, so that you sit there, you make notes in class, you don't sleep. Because I've seen if we give annotated, you just sleep in class. No. So you revise with me, you stay awake in class, you make notes, you revise, right? So that is what you have to do. On the days where we do not have classes, I will tell you what to do. You will have to do active recall. You will get time to do previous year questions. You will get time to do the custom modules that we give you on a daily basis, right? So this is the time where you consolidate what you learn in the classroom, so that makes sure that you are sticking to plan, you get a structure and you follow that and don't go haywire, right? So that is the whole idea behind this. So subject wise, we'll have test discussions towards the end. Short subjects, we have just clubbed two very very small subjects, and then you will get 3 mock GTs here, 7th, 9th and 11th, and then we've planned it such that INICT is on 17th May, right? So this is what the boot camp is all about. 17 weeks. The pricing for the same is going to be 48,000. We have actually priced it on a lower side. If you look at the prices versus the timing of the previous bootcamp, this is actually, we have tried to keep our lowest price possible. So this is 48,000, which includes everything, all of the tests, all of the classes, the self-study cubicle. So everything that you do at Vidya Jeevan from January till May, from 18th of Jan till 17th of May is included in this. You have to figure out the accommodation. The team will help you, with some options which, our alumni only, the students who have attended boot camp have only recommended, right? So, you can just call on the number, which I'll tell you in a while, and you can, talk to them about accommodation options, because I believe a lot of you would be coming from outside Delhi. So that is what it is. We encourage students to stay around the campus. There are many PGs around the campus, so just find out, don't just, speak to one and book it. Explore the options, try to find the best price for the hostels, and even the meals I would encourage have in-house, so that you don't have to go back and forth. You come in the morning, the facility stays open from 7 a.m. till 9:30 p.m. every day. So that is, I want you to utilize the campus to the best of your ability. During the entire hours, you're only going to sleep and wake up early morning and come back. So it gives you a schedule. We also give you incentives for coming in the morning. You get fruit, and when you go back you get a fruit. So we just incentivize your sincerity. So that is what this plan is for. A few questions that students ask us, that ma'am, I want to come and shift there till NEET happens. Now we have no clarity on when NEET happens, and even if they do give clarity, that's not clear enough, as you guys know. So basically it will, let's assume that it happens in June or July, right? July, to my like realistic goal would be July. So after this is over, we will be having a continuation TND program as well. So in case you want to plan, for 6 months or 7 months, and you want to book your accommodation, so you can do that. So we would be having another program after this, which would be just test and discussion. So that's just for your knowledge. I'm telling you that, this is the end point for INI, and after that we'll have just a TND, no other boot camp after this, right? No other extensive boot camp, just a test and discussion program will follow, in case you want to plan so. Another group of students who want to come right away, that ma'am, can we come before the boot camp begins and self study at boot camp? So that is where we have launched this program, which is Head Start to the Boot Camp, where you can come to Vidya Jeevan right away from November 13 to Jan 17. And if you want, we will give you a schedule. I already have that schedule, and we are also going to give you a mini test. So let me just take you through. So I've started it from 13th, but you can come at any point of time, and this is the schedule of the mini test. So at whatever time point you join, you will get the previous test as well. So I would want you to join. If you are planning to come before January, then you can use the facility, settle in, start studying on your own. So if you have time at hand, you are not an intern, you can come start studying, such that I have completed one cycle of your revision till the bootcamp begins, right? So this is where you can just do your maybe online BTR ka ek cycle, or you can do any other resource that you've done ka rapid revision, one cycle till then, and we will give you, according to the schedule, the mini test. So this is what the mini test schedule looks like. On these dates, we shall give you 40 MCQs, 42 minutes, just like NEET pattern ke we will give you tests, right? So just to keep you on track. The pricing for this, which is like 2 months, more than 2 months, from 13 November to Jan 17th, almost 2 months, is 12,000. So for this, for registering for this program, we can start registrations right away. We have our previous bootcamp students who are already studying here. So you can join this. I will just give you the contact number, which you can contact for registering for this, and that's the Vidya Jeevan helpline. So the contact point for Head Start to BTR Bootcamp is this number, which is 742 858 1909, right? So this is the number which you can contact if you want to register for this. It's 12,000 for 2 months, right? If you register for just 1 month, let's say you want to start from December 17 to Jan 17, you can pay 6,000, right? So that is what it's on a monthly basis, no other like divisions. So this is what, is there for students who want to come and self-study before it. But the main boot camp, this is what the schedule is when I start teaching from 18th of Jan till May NICT 17th of May, right? So this includes covering all of the BTR content with tests and discussions and 3 mock GTs as well. All right. So this is what the details are. If you have any other doubts, you can, contact on the same Vidya Jeevan helpline number. They will help you out. Anything that you need help from me, you can type it in the comment below the video on YouTube, and I will read it and I'll get back to you. All right. So thank you so much, and see you soon in person, hopefully, at the boot camp. Thank you.